This is a quick tutorial on how to use Asset Hunter Pro. We're going to use Asset Hunter Pro to cut down the project size on this scene here. We got all these assets from the Unity Asset Store, and there's a lot of unnecessary assets we don't need. So we're going to use Asset Hunter Pro to cut down the project size. As you can see, the project size is about 5 gigs. And we're going to use Asset Hunter Pro to cut that down a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is import Asset Hunter Pro. Go to Window, Eureka, Asset Hunter Pro, and then open Asset Hunter Pro. And you're going to get this window that pops up. You're going to get some settings to the right. It's going to show you where your build files are going to go. Then you want to go to Build. What you want to do is create a folder where you want your build log to go. Then go ahead and select that folder. And then we'll start to build your scene. You can also use this to build multiple scenes at once. Then it'll give you the results of all the unnecessary files. And then you just go to Clean All, hit Yes, and it's going to delete all the unused assets in your project. Next, it's going to ask you if you want to delete empty folders. And then voila, we're done. So let's check and see how much space we actually saved. Now instead of being at 5 gigs, we're at 2.5. So once again, Asset Hunter Pro is very useful when you're working on large projects and you kind of want to cull through assets that you're not using in your current project. We highly recommend it.